Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. As risk sentiment is looking quite strong, Asian equities are higher, following the gains of the US equities overnight. USDINR 83.20 के आसपास trade हो रहा on the spot reference offshore में. So it's going to be not such a significant day for USDINR at least. आज weekly expiry भी है. So we could see some activity maybe, but largely USDINR is ranged. कल US का some of the second tier data was quite impressive. The factory orders did well. Jobless claims were slightly higher than expected, but it's okay, nothing significant. और कल Bank of England का जो meeting था, that was almost also on the expected line, so did not have much impact on GBP dollar as well, or GBP INR as well in the overnight trading. आज focus will be on the US jobs report. That's very important. Expectation is for 1.8 lakh jobs to have been created in the last month. So इसके लिए the market will watch that actual number. Then the focus will be on the wage growth, जहाँ पे expectation है कि 4.2% का growth will fall to 4%, and unemployment rate to hold steady. So अगर data comes in much stronger than expected, you could see a rebound in the US bond yields. If it comes weaker than expected, we could see a further drop in the US bond yields. 10-year हो सकता है 4.51 के आसपास आ जाए. अगर वैसा होता है तो dollar index can come under pressure. Euro INR, GBP INR can do well, and USDINR can pull back towards the lower end of its range. That's around 83 levels, 83.10 levels. Now, implied volatility USDINR में crush हो चुका है. कल तो weekly जो volatility है 10th of November का, that was below 2%. If it continues to oscillate in such a narrow range, then the IVs can continue to fall, क्योंकि अभी जो major event risk था वो they have passed. So markets may not build in any kind of a significant risk premium. हो सकता है weekend के लिए we may not see much of a selling, but we could see the selling happen next week. This ultra low realized volatility is not sustainable, but again it has been sustained way too long than what was thought possible. इसके लिए it may sustain for some time, but the longer it does, the move happens, the move होगा after it breaks will be quite significant. So as of now 83.30 is the range. 83.10 के आसपास it's a buying opportunity. Stop loss रहेगा 83 के नीचे, and 83.30 के आसपास if somebody wants to short, then stop loss रहेगा 82.30 के ऊपर. 82.32 के ऊपर it's a clear case of a breakout, and then one can go long. So this is the current situation. Short straddle, short triangle में very low premiums है, but if you still want to short because the realized volatility is even lower, then ensure that your position size is small and you continue to operate with a small position size, and at the same time ये जो range है उस पे ध्यान रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So in case that range is breaking, you have to execute your stop and get out of the market, or take a hedging position on that particular direction. अगर नीचे की तरफ breakdown हो रहा है, you buy a put. ऊपर की तरफ you buy a call. Positional bias अभी भी upward है जब तक 82, 80, 83. This zone is intact on the spot levels. मैं positional का बात कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि वो breakout zone था, उसके ऊपर जब तक है तब तक the positional bias is still upward. Cross currencies में GBP INR हो सकता है आज we can see some movement, क्योंकि कल Bank of England के meeting के बाद we did not see any movement. हो सकता है we could see some upward move in GBP INR today. We'll be keeping you posted for intraday trading opportunities. And Euro INR may be uptrend है, because Euro dollar is doing quite well, so it's again a buying opportunity there as well. Yen INR is drifting downward, so हो सकता है we could see some more upside correction in Yen INR, but at higher levels selling should emerge because the fundamental story of large carry trade is very much intact. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.